any of your favorite show, film, whatever
Of mine?
which touched your heart or which you feel that has really resonated who you are?
Okay, my project, right? Okay. It shouldn't sound like I'm obsessed with my own work. But I think I would say on Disney Plus Hotstar last year, Salzburg and Flamingo came, and we got a lot of love for that. So that is that is one project that I can think of, and I'll always be grateful for my debut project, Pataka, with Vishal Bhardwaj. So I think these two projects are like really close to my heart.
Superb. I recently watched Sajni Shinde ki viral video, and I was just, left mesmerized with the profound message, which was so beautiful and it was so enlightening. And so media were like very excited to have,
Are available for this as a replicate.
So that's actually the tough answer, and I really compliment you for that. So, but all of it is possible. All of our, content deals. Even if I was not offering this, my deals were there in place, right? Like I said, there is an effort which has to be absolutely disruptive from the leaders of the industry, and we take pride in that. Like I said, we are always ahead of the curve in thinking that, right, and giving it shape and direction to the industry rather than just crying about it, grieving about it. It's going down, down, and down. So what is that we are doing? And there is a cost to every project, right? This kind of discussion will definitely factor in our cost very, very into it. And we know that the net sum game is going to be positive for us in this whole phase. So that is how it is. Is it something to do with my device? Definitely this is going to add some cost to us, right? But we are very well, taking that into cognizance. And like I said, even if I ask for this, my cost is already there. Right? Wanting to get the best of the content available across the genres, there used to be a time when people used to be sticking to one kind of, particular show, drama. So now those things have changed. So it is becoming more and more dynamic every day. The versatility on acting, like Radhika would know it, right? That is required. Versatility on creating those kind of contents and making it available for the customers in equal measures. That is going to be the fulcrum of how the entertainment is going to evolve from there.
Absolutely, sir. And I believe also even ourselves, हमारी भी choices पूरे दिन में बहुत change होती हैं. Like at this point of time I want to watch this. Another point of time I want to watch something else. So it's not about the different genres or so many members in the house. It's about me.
That is why the confusion in the customer's mind is that where do I get this? Where do I get that? Right. So there is a need to have that 360-degree solution available. Right. Where we tell the customer does, okay, don't worry. We know what you want. We know you have a big spread of choice. Right. We don't want you to get confused anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Wow.
Right.
So
we have
this
a
is
solution,
something, yeah.
just subscribe to it, and we tell you what you have watched, what you like, what you don't like. We'll only recommend you that. So there are a lot of automation behind, there's a lot of data science which will work behind, and the customer it will make easy for the artist also, for the content writers also, content producer also, to reach out to the right medium, the right target audience in a very short period of time.
For sure, like even with the subscriptions, right? If I need to subscribe to a particular platform, it's so hard to keep a tab.
Absolutely.
कि इस महीने की पेमेंट गई है कि नहीं गई है, इसका पेमेंट करा है कि नहीं करा है. But this is like I just need to subscribe to this, and I'm sorted for all the platforms.
Yes.
So the convenience is so amazing, and the reach for an artist is definitely great because you can cater to different audiences. So that's why I say that it is revolutionary, and I'm so glad to be a part of it.